All right, question number two. Where should we park some cash? Basically, some U.S. dollars. I have addressed this in a prior episode. I don't remember which episode it was, but we are going to be kind of releasing, as I mentioned again, over the last week or two, that we're going to be releasing a number of these kind of answers to the questions in shorter clips for better consumption, hopefully making them a lot easier to review and all that kind of stuff. But so that's a good thing. So, but the end of the day is, yeah, I mean, SGov and FLOT are certainly potentially an option for you. I think it's very challenging from my perspective, or really from Hedgeye's perspective, because I know nothing about your portfolio or your risk tolerance or your risk management style or anything like that. So it also looked like you're also from Sweden, so I don't know if this is where you've converted a portion of your krona to US dollars, and you don't really want to switch it back. And so you have to kind of keep it in USD. And again, I don't really know if SGov and FLOT are good vehicles for you, or if you had access to a money market fund, if you would do that. So I did quickly Google, just as an FYI for Rasmus from Sweden. I did quickly Google like money market fund Sweden, and did find one from Ancoria Insurance. I didn't dig much further into that, but my point is there's a lot of research out there that can help assist with this question and can help you decide what is perhaps best to execute. Now, if the real question is kind of like more toward more geared around where what's the signal saying on the US 2-year, or kind of on the shorter end of the curve, I think. And again, if that's more the question, and perhaps from Rasmus, that's kind of the way the question should have been phrased. What I would say is that it's bullish trend, right? So it's bullish trend, and put in a big higher low the last 2 days. Another huge higher low this morning at 4.34, and a higher high at 4.72. So again, parking some cash in rolling short-term treasuries could potentially be a good option for you inside the portfolio, but it really kind of just depends on the different aspects and the specifics for you, right? So again, I'll just reiterate: risk tolerance, portfolio construction, investing goals, et cetera, et cetera. So understanding what that means for you and that kind of thing is quite important. In terms of ETFs to express short duration exposure, you're spot on in terms of like SGov, FLOT, BIL, or BILS. Those are slightly two different durations. I believe BIL is 0 to 3 months, and BILS is 3 to 12 months. And GSY, it would be kind of another one that I'd throw out there. But again, it really just kind of depends on what's important to you. The reviewing kind of cash equivalents is certainly a piece inside of the Quad 4 portfolio that can make a lot of sense, right? And hiding out, because especially where US dollar is certainly picking up some price momentum. It put in another big, higher low this morning at 102.32 versus 102.02 yesterday. So again, that's a really good sign. Higher low and higher highs there too at 104.81 versus 104.61 was yesterday. Yeah, 61. So so definitely good thing to think about from a US dollar standpoint. But really, unfortunately, to kind of answer SGov and FLOT, it really just depends on your own portfolio.